Chief, your timing was just right, and I don't think you'll find a better place, a better building in the whole region to have an office. On behalf of the Board of Supervisors and all of us here in Fairfax County, we welcome you and we welcome your family to our family here in Fairfax County. With your impressive experience in leadership, innovation, and above and beyond service to our nation and to local residents throughout your career, we look forward to having you at the head of Fairfax County's Fire and Rescue Department.
We are a premier county. You are now in charge of a fire and rescue of over 1,500 employees that are looking forward to your leadership, your guidance, your focus as we march forward towards incorporating the principles of One Fairfax.
I'm an immigrant, a naturalized United States citizen. I'm a Marine, retired of 21 years in the infantry. During that time, I learned a few things. The fundamentals of teamwork, dedication, tenacity, and a small word that people sometimes underappreciate, and that's grit. Mission, vision, and value statements are good. They provide guide rails for our organization, but they have no value if the members of the department do not engage, support, and hold each other accountable. Inclusion is critical to developing and maintaining a vibrant, relevant organization in which all members engage as stakeholders contributing to the organization's future. All members, according to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.